Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Do you know someone, or did you come from a country and in order to get into the U.S. you used a fake ID? If so, I know there are ways to help you. However, there's more information that would be needed. So first of all, if you did this after 1996 and you used a U.S. passport, then you are going to be designated as one who has claimed to be a U.S. citizen, of which there is no waiver. There are exceptions to that, and the claimage to U.S. citizenship is very strict because there are no waivers. But the way that most people end up doing this is they come under an assumed name or a fake ID, meaning someone else's green card or a fake green card, or just a different name on a green card, whatever it is. And then later, when they're here in the U.S., they fall madly in love, get married, want to adjust, and they find out, of course, that it's a big problem. So first of all, when one is like that, that means that the nature of the adjustment means you are inadmissible and that you are going to need a fraud waiver. So if you entered the United States with a fake ID, and we're not talking about a passport and so forth, then you entered legally. You were permitted to enter, except you did it through fraud. So you're going to need to do a fraud waiver. So if you're adjusting status, whether it be through your son or daughter or your spouse, whatever it is, if you are eligible to adjust, then you also have to submit the waiver. And of course, the fraud waiver is very important to try to get approved, because without approval of the fraud waiver, you're not going to be able to adjust. And if you have any opportunity to adjust versus consulate processing, you should adjust, because you have to do the waiver no matter what, whether you leave or whether you stay. And if they deny it and you're here, then of course you can appeal it and so forth, do motions to reopen or reconsider. But if you're outside the country, then you're just going to have to wait until the decision is made. So there are ways of fixing it depending on your situation. Okay.